Hello everyone, and welcome to a new educational video on common collocations. Collocations are combinations of words that frequently go together, making our speech and writing sound more natural and fluent. Today, we'll explore some of the most common collocations, provide example sentences, and practice using them in context. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of how to use these word combinations effectively. Additionally, we've included comprehension questions to help reinforce your learning. So, let's get started on this journey to mastering collocations. The importance of learning common collocations. Fluency and naturalness make speech and writing sound more like a native speaker. Improved comprehension enhances understanding of spoken and written language. Effective communication reduces misunderstandings and clarifies messages. Enhanced vocabulary expands and deepens vocabulary usage. Cultural insight provides insight into cultural norms and usage. Better writing skills improves coherence and quality of writing. Time efficiency speeds up language learning by learning chunks. Reading and listening proficiency aids in quicker, more accurate comprehension. Confidence building boosts confidence in language use. Overview. Catch common collocations. Examples: reading stories, interactive questions, matching questions, sentence completion questions, multiple choice questions. Common collocations. Catch. Let's begin with set 1 of catch collocations. These are essential phrases for everyday English. We'll look at examples and practice using them. Let's dive in. Catch a cold. Catch a glimpse. Catch attention. Catch fire. Catch a bus, train, flight. Catch up. Catch sight of. Catch someone's eye. Catch someone by surprise. Catch someone in the act.
Examples: I caught a cold after being out in the rain. Jane and I need to hurry if we want to catch the train. I caught a glimpse of her before she disappeared into the crowd. The bright colors caught my attention immediately. The old barn caught fire during the storm. The red dress really caught his eye. I caught sight of an eagle soaring above the trees. The sudden announcement caught everyone by surprise. The police caught him in the act of breaking into the house. I need to catch up on all the work I missed.
The unexpected adventure. Samantha woke up feeling groggy, and soon she realized she had caught a cold. Despite feeling unwell, she was determined not to miss her important meeting. She hurried to catch a bus, but as she stepped outside, her attention was drawn to the sky. She caught a glimpse of something shining high above. It was unusual and caught her attention instantly. Running late, Samantha barely made it to the station in time to catch her train. As she settled in her seat, she noticed a strange smell. Turning around, she saw smoke billowing from one of the train compartments. It had caught fire. The passengers were startled, but the staff acted quickly, and the fire was contained before it spread. As Samantha reached the office, she caught sight of her boss talking to a group of people. Just as she entered the meeting room, she caught someone's eye. It was her colleague, Tom, who gestured for her to join. Suddenly, the presentation shifted, and the director announced a new promotion strategy, which caught everyone by surprise. Later in the meeting, Samantha struggled to catch up with the conversation as she had missed some key points earlier. She tried to focus and understand, but her cold was making her foggy-headed. Eventually, her boss noticed and caught her in the act of daydreaming, giving her a gentle reminder to stay alert. By the end of the day, Samantha felt exhausted but relieved. She hoped tomorrow would be less eventful, especially since she had been caught in the act of sneezing multiple times during the meeting.
Matching questions. Match the scenarios with the correct phrases. Catch up. Catch fire. Catch a cold. Catch a glimpse. Catch someone by surprise. If you don't wear a jacket in this weather, you're likely to blank and feel unwell for days. As the celebrity passed by, I managed to blank of her before she disappeared into the crowd. The faulty wiring caused the old building to blank, and it took hours for the firefighters to control the blaze. The unexpected birthday party completely blank, and she didn't know how to react. After missing a few classes, I had to blank on all the assignments before the exam.
Let's continue. Let's begin with set 2 of catch collocations. These are essential phrases for everyday English. We'll look at examples and practice using them. Let's dive in. Catch on. Catch a thief. Catch a break. Catch your breath. Catch someone's drift. Catch hold of. Catch a ball. Catch someone's imagination. Catch a movie. Catch someone's interest.
Examples. It took him a while to catch on to the new rules. The security camera helped catch the thief. I had to stop running to catch my breath. I don't agree with everything he said, but I catch his drift. I've been working hard all year, but I just can't seem to catch a break. Naomi caught hold of the rope just in time. Frank can catch a ball with one hand. The story really caught the children's imagination. We're going to catch a movie after dinner. The new project really caught his interest.
The detective's dilemma. Detective Mike had been working late into the night trying to solve a mysterious burglary. After going over the clues again and again, something finally caught on, the pattern he was looking for. It led him to a suspect who might have stolen the precious painting. Determined, he raced to the art gallery, where he hoped to catch a thief. But first, Mike needed some help. He caught a break when his colleague called in with a lead about the suspect's whereabouts. On the way to the gallery, Mike pulled over to catch his breath, feeling the weight of the long day behind him. "Do you catch my drift?" he asked his partner, who nodded in agreement. Arriving at the gallery, Mike saw the thief trying to escape with the painting. Quickly, Mike grabbed a nearby baseball and threw it to his partner, who caught the ball and used it to knock the thief off balance. The thief stumbled but tried to make a run for it. Acting fast, Mike dashed forward and caught hold of the thief's arm, preventing him from getting away. They had finally caught him. The thief was clearly shocked, and his expression caught everyone's imagination. As they arrested the man, the gallery staff couldn't believe how Mike had managed to stop him. Later that night, Mike decided to unwind and catch a movie with his family. He smiled as they relaxed, reflecting on how he'd caught everyone's interest earlier that day with his unexpected use of a baseball in stopping a criminal.
Sentence completion questions. Read the sentences below and fill in the blanks with the correct collocations from the list. Caught everyone's imagination, catch fire, catch my breath, caught the ball, caught everyone's interest, catch a break, caught on. 1. The young artist's work was so imaginative that it quickly blanked, and made people think about new possibilities. 2. I couldn't follow what he was saying at first, but after he explained it a second time, I finally blanked. 3. The team worked so hard that we were finally able to blank, and finish our project ahead of schedule. 4. After a long day of running errands, I had to sit down and blank, before I could keep going. 5. When the ball came flying toward me, I instinctively reached out and blanked. 6. That thrilling new movie really blanked, and had everyone talking about it.
Let's carry on. Let's begin with set 3 of catch collocations. These are essential phrases for everyday English. We'll look at examples and practice using them. Let's dive in. Catch a whiff. Catch a ride. Catch a thief red-handed. Catch the sun. Catch someone off guard. Catch the flu. Catch wind of. Catch up in something. Catch someone napping. Catch someone's tone.
Examples. I caught a whiff of fresh bread as I walked by the bakery. The sudden question caught me off guard. Can I catch a ride with you to the party? The store owner caught the shoplifter red-handed. After a day at the beach, James really caught the sun. The media caught wind of the celebrity's secret wedding. Sally got caught up in the excitement of the festival. I caught the sarcastic tone in his voice immediately. Zoe caught the flu after spending the weekend in bed. The other team caught them napping and scored the winning goal.
The eventful day. It was a hot summer day when Kelly, while walking through the bustling city streets, suddenly caught a whiff of fresh coffee. She hadn't realized how tired she was until that moment. She decided to stop by a cafe before heading to meet her friend for a ride. Once they met up, Kelly caught a ride with her friend Liz to the park. They had been planning to have a picnic all week, but Kelly was still thinking about a recent incident. She had witnessed a man caught red-handed trying to steal from a nearby shop the day before. As they lounged at the park, Kelly could feel the strong afternoon sun on her skin. By the time they were packing up to leave, she realized she had caught the sun and was starting to turn red from sunburn. The day continued without much trouble until Liz, distracted by a text message, almost swerved off the road. This unexpected moment caught Kelly off guard, but luckily, they were safe. As they chatted, Kelly noticed that Liz's voice was a bit tense. Trying to understand, Kelly finally caught Liz's tone. Her friend was worried about an upcoming job interview. Later, when Kelly got home, she began feeling unwell. I think I've caught the flu, she thought. To make matters worse, she overheard her neighbors talking about a rumor. She had caught wind of some gossip regarding a local scandal. In the end, Kelly spent the evening curled up in bed, thinking about how the day had caught her up in so many unexpected events, leaving her emotionally drained. As she drifted off to sleep, she imagined the bustling city outside, but this time, she wasn't worried about being caught napping in the midst of it all. Instead, she would face tomorrow with renewed energy, no matter what life threw at her.
Multiple choice questions. Read the sentences and circle the correct one. 1. While hiking through the forest, I blank of something strange and quickly turned around. A. Caught a whiff. B. Caught a ride. C. Caught the flu. 2. The police arrived just in time and blank, as he tried to sneak out with the stolen goods. A. Catch a ride. B. Caught someone's tone. C. Caught a thief red-handed. 3. We spent all day outside, and by the evening, I realized I had blank. A. Caught the flu. B. Caught the sun. C. Caught someone napping. 4. I overheard the conversation and quickly blank the new project the team was planning. A. Caught up in something. B. Caught wind of. C. Caught someone off guard. 5. The unexpected news blank, and I didn't know how to react. A. Caught me off guard. B. Caught the flu. C. Caught someone napping. 6. The surprise quiz in class managed to blank some students blank, leaving them unprepared for the questions. A. Caught a ride. B. Caught wind of. C. Caught someone napping.
Thank you for joining this educational video on common collocations. We hope you now have a clearer understanding of how to use these essential word combinations. Remember, the key to mastering collocations is practice and exposure. Continue to read, listen, and use these collocations in your daily communication. Don't forget to test your understanding by answering the comprehension questions. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Keep practicing, and you'll see your language skills improve in no time. Have a great day, and happy learning!